The 502 GMC is up next. Let's roll this thing in the shop. I'll give you guys a rundown on where we're at with it. Oh, boy, getting in all these big trucks is getting hard on me. Ain't no Hummer sounds like that, does it? Figure out how to get out of this thing. It's got no door handle. I got it. Woo-wee! Love that thing. Holy, that thing's loud and awesome. All right, little rundown on this thing. We've been plugging away at the wiring, and we are dealing with wiring that's 50 years old. It's had a lot of hackery going on in it. We've had to cut out a ton of wiring. There's been all sorts of different ends on all the different lights. So what we're doing is making all of the ends the same. And there was no wiring in the box that had any of the taillights, nothing back there. The dash had a GMC dash in it, but all of the wiring, because the GMC had wipers over here on this side and the Chevy had wipers over on that side, and the wiring was so short that it wouldn't come over to the GMC side. So I am guessing this is a Chevy cab that's been revived. Or the wiring, or who knows. We have 50 years of people messing around with this thing. But we're plugging away on this thing. We are just going to get all the wiring finalized. It's going to take quite a few more days. And we also have a Chevy bumper on a GMC. According to the LMC catalog, I've been looking at all the different lights, because all the lights that we ordered in and waited months and months for are wrong. Completely wrong, not even close. So I got to go on a treasure hunt, see what we can come up with. And we didn't have any of the backings for these lights, so I'm gonna have to come up with something there, possibly something LED if I can't find them. Either way, we got to get this truck done next. He is ready to go sledding with this thing. Once we're done, we got a little bed liner to do on the tailgate still. But we have all of these lights are in, ready to get wired up and mounted. All the pigtails are proper at the back finally. That's exciting. I'm really excited to see this truck get done so I can leave. We still have not found this corner piece for the grill. I do believe I know a guy way out on the other side of Salmon Arm has them, but I'm not sure if he's willing to let them go. Oh well. If we get all the wiring done and the mufflers on, it means we can drive this thing around. We need some wiper blades still. Those are missing. Basically, this is how the truck came. Because it spent 10 years in 4 different shops, so there's a lot of parts missing. I have all new door locks for it at least. Oh yeah, we got the dome light wired in, so it's actually going to have an interior light. Yeehaw. And it's got a Blazer Jimmy Suburban fuel tank in the back, and that's the only one it has. I do believe we need to put a backup tank somewhere in here, because when I put a jerry can of gas in this thing, it takes about 4, maybe 5 times in and out of the shop, and we're out of fuel. So we got a lot to do, but it lives in the shop now with the rest of them.